Hi, it's Chris BeLieu, the Operations Manager for Aquasyn. Today I wanted to talk to you about bonnet options for Aquasyn's diaphragm valves. Aquasyn offers three different bonnet choices: the standard bonnet, the submersible bonnet, and the sealed bonnet. Depending on the SOP for cleaning your process valves, we can recommend the appropriate bonnet option. For example, if your SOP is using an autoclave, our standard bonnet is probably the right choice. If your SOP calls out for a liquid cleaning agent, then the submersible or the sealed bonnet may be a better option for you. The sealed bonnet option would be recommended if you wish to submerge and wash down the bonnet and prohibit the cleaning agent from entering the internal parts of the bonnet. Lastly, the submersible bonnet would be recommended if you want the cleaning agent to reach the internal parts of the bonnet. In this case, weep holes are machined into the neck of the bonnet. This allows the cleaning agent to be thoroughly washed out of the valve after cleaning. Let us help you to make the best bonnet choice to save time, maintenance costs, and extend the life of your Aquasyn valve. It's important to note also that all Aquasyn valves and bonnets are machined from stainless bar stock.